Hey there, and welcome back to 3 Minute Motivation. Today we're diving into something that's super important but often overlooked: making new friends and expanding your social circle. Have you ever moved to a new city, started a new job, or simply wanted to connect with more like-minded people? Making friends as an adult can feel a little intimidating. In my work, I've travelled the world from places as diverse as Asia and Australia to North Africa and many European countries, often finding myself alone outside of work hours. But now I've got connections around the globe that I call friends. So I'm going to give you 5 practical tips and mindset shifts that I've used that will help you to build genuine connections. So let's get to it. The first step to making new friends is shifting your mindset. Many of us approach friendships with a passive attitude, waiting for others to make the first move. But here's the truth: you have to be proactive. Instead of thinking, I hope someone talks to me, change that to, I'm going to make the effort to connect. You don't need to be an extrovert or the life and soul of the party. You just need to be open and willing to take the first step. Remember, people are generally open to making new friends too. Chances are the person you're hesitant to approach might be feeling exactly the same way. So take the leap. It'll be worth it. Now let's talk about starting small. Making new friends doesn't have to mean joining a massive event or diving into a huge group. Start with small, consistent actions. It could be as simple as saying hello to your neighbour, striking up a conversation with a co-worker, or just attending a local meetup of some sort. Consistency is the key here. The more frequently you show up, the more familiar your face becomes, and that familiarity breeds connection. Find local events or groups that interest you and commit to showing up regularly. Whether it's a weekly yoga class, a hobby group, or even volunteering, find a place where you can connect with others consistently. Next up, focus on shared interests. The best way to make a meaningful connection is by bonding over something you both enjoy. Think about what gets you excited. Do you love hiking, gaming, cooking, or painting? There's a group somewhere for that you just need to find. When you connect with people who share your passions, conversations flow more naturally and friendships are built on a solid foundation. Not sure where to start? Why not just search for local groups on Google or Facebook, or even look on community boards? They're all great places to find groups centered around your interests. Take that step. It's a great way to meet people. One of the most underrated skills in making friends is being a good listener. Everyone wants to feel seen, heard, and valued. When you meet someone new, ask questions and genuinely listen to their answers. Show interest in their stories, opinions, and experiences. This isn't just about making friends, it's about being a good friend. Remember, friendships are a two-way street. The more you invest in others, the more they'll invest in you. Be present, put your phone away, and show that you care. It's these small gestures that make all the difference. Finally, embrace vulnerability and be yourself. Making new friends isn't about impressing others or trying to fit in. It's about being real, being open, and letting people see the real you. It's okay to share your quirks, your passions, and even your insecurities. In fact, it's often through shared vulnerabilities that the deepest connections are made. Remember, you're not looking to find perfect friends, you're looking to find real ones. People are drawn to authenticity, so don't be afraid to be yourself. So there you have it. Making new friends and expanding your social circle doesn't have to be scary. Be proactive, start small, focus on shared interests, be a great listener, and most importantly, be yourself. Your next great friend could be just around the corner waiting to connect with someone just like you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for more motivational tips, and share it with someone who you think might need it. And hey, let me know in the comments, what's one action you're going to take this week to make new connections? I'd love to hear from you. If you're looking for more tips and ways to be a better you, why not check out the other motivational videos on my channel? So until next time, stay connected, stay motivated, and keep expanding your world. See you in the next video.